1, 2, let's go back.
Welcome to another video you'll watch about 10 seconds of and then switch off. How do you do an intro?
Welcome back to another Mad Times YouTube video. Today is a fucking interesting thing, mate. We're in fucking England! And I'm going to look at a fucking drift car. And then I might just travel to Mexico again, mate, if I buy it.
Yeah, because we left the last car in Mexico. We bought it, just took it to Mexico, fucked it up, left it there, drove home, and then we may or may not fix it today.
Yeah, they should make it a hell of a lot worse, mate. Might as well blow them tyres up there. Actually, no, I don't want to fuck with them.
Oh, we're blowing the tyres.
Alright, we're blowing the tyres.
I'm getting maximum fucking efficiency out of those tyres, them £55 tyres.
So yeah, so yesterday we bought a Z3. It had brand new Pirellis on the back, and they're £55 a corner, and two of them are just a bit fucked. A bit fucked.
What made me laugh in it, you asked me, you was like, oh, should we bring some spare wheels? I was like, no, we got loads of tricks. You won't need spares.
I think we was going full stop for like an hour.
Yeah, full stop for an hour. We was getting a bit
carried away.
Yeah. And then we was driving home and you was like, what's that flapping noise?
Pure wire. I blame Ronnie. I said, should we bring spare tyres?
I noticed the tyre was just shredded to bits.
What, where? This Audi, bro.
Oh, mate. I want to be a racer, mate. Where do we go? Let's film him in case he crashes.
God, if he crashes, we're all crashing. What a dickhead, man. Don't go right. Are you ready for some fucking drama? It's all getting filmed, and if he tries to cut me up, he's getting fucking...
He's getting pit manoeuvred.
Yeah, he's getting fucked up.
Like, we should have fixed the E34, but we decided to buy a Z3. Instead of fixing the Z3, we're now going to buy an E46. And when that breaks, we'll buy another car.
I showed my mum the video of us drifting.
Oh yeah.
She was like, do you not feel bad for like ruining these cars? No, not really.
You get entertainment out of it.
Yeah, like I remember that
I actually get like, I don't know, I think maybe I'm just a prick in it, but I get entertainment out of destroying everything. Like having no care for anything like is the best.
Yeah, but yeah. That Audi, did you see what he just did?
No.
Wow.
Oh right. And he got nowhere.
No, I'm just waiting for the like. Trust me, he's getting. Like, I don't give a shit in it, but for the camera, he's getting it. By the way, today is the start of a new chapter.
What's that?
It's the start.
Chapter 5 Genesis.
It's the start of me not giving a fuck about what I look like. Hence, hence the pink
Look
fucking...
at this fucking silly hat, mate.
Von Dutch fucking, you know what I mean? Mr. Styling over here, mate. I just don't give a shit, mate. I borrowed my little sister's hat. Simple as that, mate. Don't care, mate. You're lucky I don't have pink Crocs on.
Oh yeah, we need to get some Crocs.
I want some pink Crocs.
I actually do want some.
You can buy them on eBay, but I don't know if they're genuine.
I want genuine ones.
Yeah.
Of all the things, man.
But they're like 18 quid. Is that genuine? Oh no, sorry, they're 33 quid.
Yeah.
Do you reckon that's genuine?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm getting them from eBay then.
Yeah.
We've bloody arrived, sort of.
Yeah.
There's
we come to pick up a BMW in this sketchy area. And there's just stripped Jaguars and cool 3000 GTs. And a load of gas bottles, man. Them gas bottles are worth money.
It's just nice cars everywhere, mate. You see that little banger down there? Mine reverse.
What's that?
That little banger car. So here we are, down in Margate, Ramsgate, one of the two.
Sandwich, mate, sandwich.
Oh, sorry, Sandwich. We're in Sandwich. In a boatyard, as you can see. Back in boatyard, mate. And your boy, that's what they're saying it, your boy has bought an E46 drift car. And there's going to be loads of fucking videos on this, if it makes it home. So, not going to show you too much. You're going to see plenty of it tonight going sideways. Hopefully if it gets home, Ronnie's loading the last of the wheels while I do nothing.
Wheels for the Z3?
We have how many wheels? 3 sets of wheels. No, how many sets of rear wheels? We've got
6 in this car.
6 in that car? Yeah. So we've got 6 in here, and then another 4 in there.
Oh yeah. Okay, no.
So we've got 2 sets of full wheels basically. Well, they're not, they're like doubles, isn't it? Bruv.
Yeah.
That's sick, mate. I'll just be running different wheels every day.
And show them the tyres, mate.
Oh yeah, this is interesting, mate. So they're different tyres though, because they're Yokohamas and these are Pirellis, but still, little fucking semi-slicks. Yeah, these are Pirellis, no? Oh no, these are Advans. What? Where's the Pirelli then?
Advans, yeah.
There's another Pirelli then, isn't there?
Is there?
I see. Oh yeah, it's here. Oh no, wait, where is it? Yeah, that's the one I was on about.
Oh, right. Oh no, that's shit.
Well, it is, but it's fucking still a...
No, that's a crap tyre.
You reckon?
Yeah.
We got this one, which is an Advan, and then I'm hoping...
We've got those JDM tyres for the fucking...
What?
JDM tyres, mate.
Why JDM?
Advan.
Ah, right. For the Beamer, mate.
Yokohamas in here.
Oh, these are Yokohamas.
Whenever you want to buy a car, you want to make sure it comes with a free bumper.
Yeah.
Spare bumper just in case.
Well, to be honest, that's a must, because...
I don't know how... No, it bends in, innit?
Oh, it goes that way? Oh, that's just going to go on straight away. Bit of wind and that's just going to go...
Yeah. Once you hit that, it'll go... and it'll go underneath the car, mate.
What am I going to do with that? When we get to the petrol station, I have to sort something out, man.
I ain't got any cutters on me, so I'll just cut the bumper.
Yeah,
just fucking chop it.
I can't drive home like that, I don't think.
Yeah.
Well, you reckon it's not going to go? It's just going to grind off on the tyre?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
It won't be if it scores on it. They're good, they're Pilot Sports, mate. These are fucking 75 quid a corner as well, mate. No joke. They are actually genuinely a lot of money. These are what all the EP3 boys put on them, innit? And are they matching? Michelin, no. Are they out there? See, they're matching, mate. They're actually genuinely expensive tyres. And they're stretched, mate. And you think I'm fucking buying tyres and then getting them stretched? So yeah.
Free coil packs, free water pump, free starter motor. Oh,
yeah,
spare.
to be fair, there could be loads of shit in there. There's a fire extinguisher back there. Oh, it's got buckets. I don't want to show them too much. I'm going to do a full video on it. I'm going to do a full video on this car. Yeah.
Side bastard.
I want to do a full video on it. Audi, mate.
Got everything wrong with it.
I'll tell you everything wrong with this when we get to the petrol station. I'm 100% doing a skid, mate. Although he said there's a police station.
Oh, is there? Oh, shit.
Right, I kind of need to go really straight to the petrol station because I'm like, it's beyond empty.
Let's have a look where the petrol station is.
But I'm actually quite lit. I'm not excited yet, but when I'm driving it and I put my foot down, I'm going to be excited.
I actually like this car, mate.
No, I like it, yeah.
I don't like E46s.
No, I don't like E46. I don't like any BMW, really.
Things have changed.
I don't like BMWs, guys. I hate them. I don't hate them, I appreciate them, but I don't, there's nothing that appeals to me except from it goes sideways. So I bought this just as a sideways toy. Obviously we're going to go to Mexico tonight, try it out.
Ship it over.
Yeah.
Ship over there, mate.
That's it, yeah, we're going to put it on the back of that. Well, anyway, we're going to fill up with fuel. I didn't bring my GoPro with me, but I'll get some in-car footage in a second anyway.
Go on, old man, mate, get in the car.
I have to prep myself to get into this, mate. You're going to have to take the camera. Oh no, I'll film it going to the petrol station then, mate. You can film it.
What's that?
Oh, I don't know, mate. Right, anyway, let's get this fat ass into the seat, mate. I feel like Jeremy Clarkson, mate. Bro. What am I doing, mate? I'll throw myself in, mate.
Mate, I love how you're struggling.
I hope this works.
Got that
I'm going to see if this works. I didn't test it. So
oh, yeah, just clutch in and fucking...
Clutch in?
Yeah.
Clutch in?
Of course.
I'm fucking clutch kicking it, mate.
No, it's in clutch in and yank the handbrake.
Yeah. Oh, what you mean now?
When you're going down the street.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm going to do, yeah, just to see if it locks up. Yeah. Right. This is going to be probably interesting
Enjoy,
as well,
mate. Does the steering wheel go up unlike the Z3?
I think it's already at the top. No, that's fine, mate. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, that's better.
Oh, there you go, mate. No more hitting yourself in the bollocks.
This seatbelt's so cheaply done, but I quite like it.
I'd hate to see what's under it. Yeah, having fun there, mate.
Not really. This is going to take me ages, mate. Imagine trying to run away from the Mexican police, mate. I've got no chance. Oh. Is this guy skinny or what?
Yeah, he was.
You adjusted it though, didn't you?
Huh?
You took the slack out of it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, mate. You're definitely going to ruin your bladder.
Oh. That's as loose as it goes?
Nah, really?
No.
Oh, you mate, you must be a fat bastard.
I'm a little short, stocky thing, mate. That's all I am, mate. Oh, mate. Is this wrong? This has to be wrong, man. There we go.
Can you reach the door handle?
I want to do these up tight. Oh, no. Why did I do that?
Oh, mate, that was hilarious. You got to slam it.
What's it hitting?
Tyre.
What?
Tyre.
Oh, no.
Baby.
I was going to say, man, I feel like I'm in a nursing home or something. Can you wipe my ass as well? Oh, mate.
I can't fucking move this wheel, mate. Fucking tunnels in the way.
You just can't get a staff round here.
Huh?
What? Did you realise what I said?
Up here, mate. I'm gonna slam the door, mate, and run. You ready?
Oh, mate, this bucket seat is just not very nice, I can tell.
There you go, mate.
Sorted, all done, mate.
Oh, mate.
Oh, mate. Right, okay. Let's attempt to get to the petrol station, mate, without wiping out. I've got his keys. Oh, I could have left him. Oh, I thought you meant don't open the window. I was like, what's wrong with the window, mate? Yeah, mate, have a key. Oh, mate. It's damaged my car, mate. This thing sounds like a beast, I can't lie. Sounds like a tank. The revs are a bit sticky. Engine management lights on, as usual. Can't buy a car without an engine management light on, can ya? Oh, you hear that? LSD. We stalled it. So with an LSD, you have to rinse the fuck out of it, apparently. Okay guys, we're past the speed bumps. One thing I didn't test, excuse the noise, one thing I didn't test when I was giving it a test drive was the hydro. So we need to test the hydro, which I will do when I'm in public land in a safe place. Yeah, it works. And it backfires apparently. I am fucking buzzing for this car, mate, I tell ya. She's fucking bendy, boy! Woohoo! What a speed bump. Just filled up. We're gonna head off to Herne Bay because I don't fancy being stuck in traffic. So yeah, next step, Herne Bay. Get some scenic views hopefully. So we made it to Herne Bay. I used to come down here as a kid to pick bait for fishing, I think, or fish here, I can't even remember, but here we are. To most of you, this car's probably a bag of crap. Like we was just saying, it's beat up. Like, panels are beat up. It's a beat up car, but yeah, it's a drift car. I mean, that wasn't there when we left the...
No, it's worn it through.
which is good. But yeah, so it's literally a beater, and that's how I'm going to treat it as well. I'm not going to look after this car at all. I can't lie to you. The only thing I'm worried about is looking after... Not even going to worry about that one, mate. As long as it makes it home, mate. You can tell there's been an accident in there, and he's just fucking replaced like what the bare minimum.
What are you talking about, mate? I only replaced the wing. It's not even bolted on properly, mate. Listen to that.
Oh, my battery's going to die. Yeah, the only thing I'm going to look after with this car is the engine and drive shaft.
You're going to look after drive shafts, or you mean you're going to replace
the drive line? Sorry, like prop drive shafts. That's the only thing I'll worry about. Other than that, I don't give a shit. Well, I'm not made for this, mate. Parkour is not my thing, mate.
Oh. My kneecaps are about to give way, mate.
Yeah, I ain't jumping that. Oh. I'm doing it the old man way, mate. You know when your feet hurt, mate, and they just like they go. I don't know. Hard to explain it.
I could just imagine, mate. This is how you'd drop in it. If you jumped off that, you got this. Just like that'd be the end of your knees, mate.
Do you know how I'd jump off this, mate? Are you ready for this? I'm about to lose everything in my wallet.
Fucking hell, mate, a bit of parkour, Assassin's Creed over here. Yeah, and there goes your money. Oh, shit.
Where's the money?
What money?
Is there money?
I don't know. If you did, you don't have it anymore. Anyway, take your shitty camera.
Fucking made it, mate. Mum, Mum, I made it. I'm at a station. We make good mistakes. Please. Oh shit, that's solid, man. I thought that was gonna be soft.
Got the hurdles over.
I want the BM there. Like right there, mate. That's where I want the BM. That'd be the sickest picture, mate.
Over the hurdles.
Yeah, just like the fucking, just on the beach, mate. Herne Bay, mate.
Cold. Could be in there, but we're out here.
To be fair, my camera's freezing. I didn't realise it was that cold, mate. But yeah. Now, keep my glasses on. Think of that, mate. I can still feel the indent in my nose. I feel better with glasses though. If I don't drift tonight, it's because I'm not wearing glasses. Did he take his gloves out of the car?
No, I don't think so. I don't know.
His little gloves in there.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. And then, mate, I was well happy with a bag of cable ties, mate. I sold it for me. Bag of cable ties, mate. Fuck it there.
Oh, mate. Look at that, mate. Eiffel Tower.
Big Ben, mate. Big Ben. Your Ben. I'm not really ready, but I don't care enough.
So, I drove the car back from fucking Ramsgate or Margate or fucking Sandwich. Drives alright. There's a flat spot, not a flat spot, there's a horrible spot about 65 mile an hour where it just goes and it's fucking annoying, isn't it? So you have to either be before that or well after it. But
and of course, what speed did I set out on the way home? 65.
Yeah, literally 62, 64, 65, and then you went up a little bit. I was like, yeah, he's going up, and then he was like, ugh. And I had cruise control lights, mate.
Oh really?
Yeah, and I had it on, and then you were fucking too slow, and then too quick, and it was doing my fucking nutting because all I had was. So we're back in Mexico. We are with this car, and my god, it fucking spins so planted and smooth. We're back to the Z3 with the dodgy tyres. We're gonna head back to the private racetrack, and then we're gonna see Guan, bruv. You get me? So let's fucking do this. I don't know what Ronnie's doing. Probably can't see a fucking thing in there. That's what he probably.
Let's go back.